Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not producing any sound. So let's begin. So first things first, what we're gonna do is go here into our physical button on our phone. You wanna tap on it like this so that this would pop up, this volume bar controller would pop up, and you wanna tap on these three dots right here, and you wanna make sure that this media volume bar is all the way up, not like this one where it is muted. This is the reason why you are not producing any sound, because some physical button, when you click it, it only adjusts this notification volume bar. This is the only thing that it boosts up, so that this is the only thing that is enabled. Or maybe this alarm right here, you just want to make sure that this media volume controller is all the way up so that it would be enabled, not muted. So once you've made sure of that, another way that you can do that is going into your settings and going here into sound and vibration. But in your phone, if you have a different brand, then it might not be sound and vibration, it might be other term, but the process is the same. You just have to find this setting in your phone right here where you can access the control for media. For as you can see, it is sounding, and you can also adjust the ringtone and alarm right here. So you want to make sure that this media bar right here is all the way up right here. It is not like this one, like that, where it is muted. So you want to make sure that it is like this right there. So once you have done that, then you could now see if it is working on your YouTube app. But if it is still not working, then you could go here into the app info of your YouTube by long pressing your YouTube app right here in your home screen, and you want to go into tap app info, and from here you want to go into clear data, and you want to clear cache right here, clear cache, then okay. And again, you might have different options right here. You might be seeing a different user interface depending on your phone or your Android version. So you just have to find this setting where you can clear the cache right here, and you want to check if your YouTube is working again, if it is producing any sound. If it is still not, then you could go and clear data. Try clearing all your data in your YouTube. Then this would make you sign in again, but still it's worth a try so that it could fix your YouTube problem. But if not, then the case might be your hardware problem. In this case, you might have to get your phone fixed, because that might be a speaker problem or whatsoever. Then you might need to get your phone checked up or fixed so that you could have your sound coming out again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.